Hi, and welcome to the Lothian Valet channel. If you haven't already been, welcome, and if you have, thank you for coming back. In this short video, sorry waving bloody scissors about, in this short video I've got a wee delivery from Carbon Collective, and just with it being Black Friday, obviously got to take up on the deals. We'll get this opened and we'll see what we've got. So what we've got is the Detailing ultra soft brushes, just for getting round about the vents and whatever else, especially round about the dials, just because obviously they're awfully soft, so the last thing you want to do is scratch them, having complaints for your customers. And for the black bits round about the gear stick and across the dash. So just to add that bit of the shot clip on the back, I don't know if you can see, well you'll be able to see, it's got the what's in the boxes and the thickness and what you can use them for, and it also gives you a wee description at the top and as well, and just one thing it tells you at the bottom, it's not for acid products or chemicals. Right, so just a quick one, if you've had any brushes or detailing brushes, what are you using for round about the dials and whatever, and if you've got any brushes or anything from over the Black Friday, drop it down in the comments and let me know, and thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.